Hi, my name's Laurie. Welcome to What's New in Transfer CFT. This release is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of other existing Transfer CFT instances. This release provides several security updates, including support for the SOC 5 protocol for SFTP clients, increasing the number of SFTP key exchange algorithms, and updating the secure relay version. Important fixes and updates include the fact that cipher suites on SSL objects are no longer mandatory, and the user interface now displays more system information and transfer details. From the landing page dashboard, you can now view your system information at the bottom of the page below the transfer activity. This release combines two existing features, use of Amazon S3 buckets along with folder monitoring. You can now, on Windows and Linux systems, scan S3 buckets using the folder monitoring feature. Under Flow Definitions, select Folder Monitoring. Complete the page and use the New Storage Account field to enter your S3 bucket. Transfer CFT now features a customizable log message, CFTT99I, as will be shown in the following demo.
Here is a demo on how to customize the log message CFTT99I that can accompany the CFTT54I log message. On CFT UI main page, go to General Configurations, then click on Unified Configuration, select Custom, and click on Value in CFT Server Log Custom Messages CFTT54I. Then set the template message with this. Click on OK. Restart Transfer CFT. Once CFT is restarted, go to Transfers. Click on New. OK. Then make a new transfer. Execute the transfer. Wait for transfer completed, and now if you click on Details, you will have the message displayed at this level.
New features for Transfer CFT ZOS systems include support for an internal log rotation procedure, which aligns with other Transfer CFT platforms. And now, audit fields are in fixed format when written to SMF. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.